Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Chris here with nuppfx, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this quick and simple Deku Shield from Legend of Zelda. So let's just jump right in. Now, if you want to, I'm actually making this as a wall hanging for someone, but at this step, you would include some straps so that you could put your hands through, or let's go this way. You'd put a strap in here. One would be so that you can fit your hand right there, and then another one around your forearm to stay like this. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to just put it on a hanger, I would suggest putting some kind of like little loop at the top or on the side so that it keeps its shape, and then you can have that as a beautiful display piece all around. Once again, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the builds and the things I put out on this channel. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me keep creating and doing the things that I do. And remember, there's also a link to the podcast, Effects University, if you have any interest in special effects at all. So remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.